Huntington, Kosciuszko, Wabash, and Whitley. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ 57 in South Bend. Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX. This is a special weather statement for the following county, St. Joseph, Indiana, and the following counties in Michigan, Berrien and Cass. A line of strong thunderstorms will affect northeastern St. Joseph, southwestern Cass, and southeastern Berrien counties. At 7:06 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, radar indicated strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Gullavoyer Park to near Bremen. Movement was north at 45 miles per hour. Wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour are possible with these storms. These storms will be near Gullavoyer Park around 7:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. South Bend and Roseland around 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Osceola around 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Mishawaka and Buchanan around 7:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Georgetown, Granger, and Edwardsburg around 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Berrien Springs around 7:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Niles around 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Zalachek around 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these storms include Sodos, Indian Village, Daly, Eau Claire, LaGrange, Barron Lake, Bertrand, Somerville, Pokagon, and Indian Lake. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 72 and 86. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Elkhart County, Indiana, Noble County in northeastern Indiana, Whitley County in northeastern Indiana, north central Huntington County in northeastern Indiana, eastern Kosciuszko County, Indiana, southwestern LaGrange County in northeastern Indiana, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:03 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles south of Thurston to South Whitley to 9 miles southwest of Columbia City, moving north at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Warsaw and Pierceton around 7:10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Columbia City and Winona Lake around 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Tri-Lakes around 7:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. North Webster around 7:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Syracuse around 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Ligonier, Albion, and Millersburg around 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Rome City and Topeka around 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Laud, Brimfield, Big Barbie Lake, Hunneville, Ridinger Lake, Loran, Merriam, Collimer, Big Lake, and Irish Lake. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, Huntington, Kosciuszko, LaGrange, Noble, and Whitley. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WXJ 57 in South Bend. Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX.